Hello, grade 4. It is me, Mr. Tony. Here I'm back again. But for today, we're going to learn mathematics. And then our topic of today is going to be multiplication. Multiplication is one of the operational of mathematics. Now, in this topic, we are going to learn many things. But before we start learning this topic, I think we introduced to you what we call addition. Addition was one of the mathematical operations that you should know before we start multiplication. And I hope already you know it. But now, today we are going to learn what we call multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Now, in this one, we are going to consider the following example. But before that, please, I want you to understand the two things here. That in mathematics, we have, in mathematics, when it comes to multiplication, we have something that we call multiplicand and a multiplier. So, these two, you should know them. That 125 is a multiplicand. And then 33 is a multiplier. Now, a multiplier is a number. It's a number of times that you are going to add the number that you have been given. Of course, we can say that the multiplication is a repetitive addition. So that's why I'm saying that a multiplier is the number of times that you are going to add a given figure that you have been given. For example, the given figure that we have here is 125. Now, 125, you are supposed to add it. It should repeat itself 33 times. So that's why we call this multiplier. And 125, it is a multiplicand. Now, we are going to consider the following example that I have here. Example number 1 is this one here. That 125 multiplied by 33. So, there is two things that you'll have to note here. That there is a sign of multiplication and there is also a sign of addition. Now we are going to start and then we know how this one is going to get to land here. Now 3 times 5. 3 times 5. Please remember to start from ones. When you are doing multiplication, you have to start from ones. From in that given figure that you are going to that is a multiplicand, you have to start from the ones. So this is the ones here, ones, and this one is tens. This one is last 3 hundreds. So the 3 here will multiply all this number here, then we write. Then this 3 will come back again and multiply this number here, then we write. Then after there, that's when we are going to do what? To add. So 3 times 5, 3 times 5 is equals to what? 15. Then 15 we are going to write 5, we carry 1 up here. Therefore, 3 times 2, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Plus 1, the one that we carried up here, this one here, then we are going to get what? 7. Therefore, we go 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is equals to 3. We write that 3 here. Go to the next number, which is the 10th one now, in the multiplier, 10th. Now, 3 is in the 10th place value of the figure here. Now, 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equals to what? 15. Then we are going to write 5 here. Why did we write 5 here? According to this multiplier here, 3 is ones and this one is tens. Now here we are going to write it on the 10th place of the number that is up. Now, this is ones, this is tens. So we are going to start from with the tens here. So that's why I've written 5 here. Then the remaining one, I will carry it up here. It is here. Now I will say this one again. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equals to what? 6. Plus this one here. Plus that one here. Then we are going to get what? 7. Then I write 7 here. 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is equals to what? 3, it is going to be here. As you can see, it is just going outside the value that is on top. So that's how we are going to get now. That's what we are going to do what? To get the answer. Now, we are going to do what? Addition here now. The operation that is following here is addition. So here we can assume that there is 0. And also here we can assume that there is 0. Now, 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, it is 12, you write 2, you carry 1 up. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, that is 11. 11, you write 1, then you carry 1 up here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 1 plus 3, sorry. 1 plus 3 is equals to what? 4. So this is the correct answer. When you take 125 multiplied by 33, you will get this one here. That was example number 1. Example number 2, we have 335 multiplied by 45. 45. Now, 335, it is a multiplicand. 45, it is a multiplier. So, 45 is the number of times that we are supposed to add 335. But now it is very hard to do what? To add this number 45 times. So we have a very short formula on how to get this one, and now it's here. We are going to do it as we did that one here there. 5 times 5, you will get 25. So 25, you are going to write 5, you carry 2, which is here up here. Now 5 times 3, 5 times 3 is equal to 15 plus this 2 here. So you will get what? 17. Then you write here 7. You carry 1. 5 times 3, 5 times 3, 5 times 3 is equals to 15. 15 plus this 1 here, you will get what? 16. That's why I written here 16. Then we have already finished with the first multiplier. Now we go to the second multiplier, which is 4. 4 times 5. 4 times 5, which is equals to 20. 20, you'll have to write 0 here. Remember, I told you that this is in 10th place value. So we are going to write corresponding to the place value of the digit that is there, which is 10th. Now, this is 7. We are going to write 0 corresponding with 7. So, 0, you carry what? We carry out 2. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Remember, we carried 2. So we are going to add 2. 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. So 14, I'll have to write 4. Then I carry 1 here. Then I go to the next. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Then 12, remember I have carried what? 1 here. So I will add this 1 here to 12. Then I'll have to get what? 13. Then I write 13 here. My good pupil, remember here I told you that we assume that this is 0 and also this one is 0. So let's carry what? Addition now. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 4, 10. You write 0, you carry 1 up. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then you write 5 here. Here is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Why do I say that? A 0 plus a number is that number. But a 0 minus a number is impossible. So, 0 plus a number is a number. Thank you for listening to me, good pupil. Please, the assignment is there in our website. Face it there and then do it. Bring it back for me to verify that you have done correct. Thank you. May God bless you.